All right, so this is Jason with Classic Touch Floor Care, and had this home with a bad V8 tomato juice spill, and it was a home that has previously been cleaned, and I've done this carpet one time before, and it does have some pretty challenging wear patterns, as it's been in the apartment for a while, and a lot of the wear you see, the owner has a pet, and so between the pet and the owner and the heavy traffic patterns and this spill, it's going to be a bit of a challenge for me to remove this spill and get rid of it and make it look pretty fresh and clean again. But I think you'll see the results at the end, how we're able to make it look a whole lot better. So I pre-sprayed first my regular cleaning solution, and then this step right here is where I took the Trinity Tops machine and the scrub pad, and we just started scrubbing, and this is to loosen up the soil and just start the process of getting rid of it. And then, after going over it one time, applied some more cleaning solution. This is, again, just the regular cleaning solution. It does have some oxy in it that will help, along with some citrus that will also help with getting rid of the greases in the tomato juice. So the oxy is good for natural, just cleaning natural products. Now I'm going after it with the drill brush, and this is a great way to really scrub out stains that you can't really get to, hard to reach places. So I love to use my drill brush here. It really helped get to these stains, and you see it's going to take me a little while to get the stains out, and I actually have to use a couple different products on it to get it back to as normal as I possibly can. But it does, in the end, come out looking a whole lot better. And you can see how I'm just hitting different spots and continue to scrub it out and fluff up the carpet. And then the next thing I'll do after this is I'm going to take my pad where just to extract, or basically soak it up. I'm going to spray just a little bit more on here. I think what's coming up next is I'll take the bonnet, actually, is what it's called, that I put underneath my Tops machine, and I'll just scrub out as much of what we've loosened of the soils that have now become encapsulated in the cleaning solution. And we'll continue this process till we get the remaining parts of it out. And you'll see me put the pad back underneath the machine here, and I've got to take the fiber pad off. So I've got it down there again. The carpet is already wet with the cleaning solution that I've sprayed down on it, and I've already scrubbed it. So now we're going to soak it up into the pad using the Trinity orbital machine right here. So I'll plug this in, and we'll be going here very soon. Okay, so we're gonna use my favorite spotter here, and we're just gonna squirt it on the worst spots. Right there. That's it. So sad. Gotta get some more. This stuff is amazing. That's looking quite a bit better. So, let's see what comes out. Whole lot better. Can add a little bit of this spotter. So taking a look at it right there, it looks phenomenal. It's hard to believe that we were actually able to get that much of the stain removed. It had been sitting there for quite a while. And now we're just going to show you the raking out process. This is called grooming a carpet, and this helps remove the cleaning patterns that we had put into the carpet. It helps fluff up the carpet, restores it to its natural form and shape, and it looks great too. I prefer this at the end of carpet cleaning jobs because it just makes the carpet look as new as it can look. And we just go over the whole carpet, and this is called a Grandy groomer or a carpet rake, and it's got these little tines, little plastic tines that just help fluff up the carpet and make it look fantastic. I'm operating both the camera with one hand and the rake with the other hand, so it's a little tricky, but it is coming out. You can see it gets all the footprints out, making it ready for the nice after photos as well. All right, so here it is. This is the final finished product after it's been cleaned. You can see we got the traffic areas down pretty well. Got about 99% of that stain out. It looks really good. And on around the bed, again, also the traffic areas look way better. Both sides of the bed where a lot of soils typically gather as people get in and out of their beds. And then again, just looking at that stain and how much better it looks. Again, it's not brand new carpet, but it is in great shape again, very livable, will last the homeowner as long as they want it to last, a couple more years till they're ready to replace it.